Hello students, let's begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, Urban Administration. As discussed earlier, urban administration is been working with the help of municipal corporation. In big cities and towns, we need help of municipal corporation for the better working and better development of the city. So let us understand about it. This is a picture of old Ahmedabad and this is a picture of new Ahmedabad which you are already aware of. Now, to transform from this old Ahmedabad to the new one, who helped us? We are going to study about this in this chapter. The person and the people who help us transforming old Ahmedabad to the new Ahmedabad to the developed new city, a big city which is these days very much famous. The people who helped are Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. It works according to the people and their needs. This is the logo of Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. Municipal councillors and ward councillors. The ward councillors are responsible for the road constructions, hospital management, and many more things. They have been elected by the people in the ward or area. Groups of councillors make decision on the policy making. Committees of ward councillors look after water, garbage collection, and street lighting. Duties of the ward councillors. Let us understand about it. They make budget, they look into demands of their respective wards, they assign the task and see to it whether the task given is been completed by the administrative staff. Along with that, if needed, commissioner and administrative staff also gets involved. The person who supervises the ward councillor's work is the municipal councillor. This is a sample of letter which has been sent to municipal corporation in regards to their needs. As they supervises the work of the ward, before that the person who needs to be corrected the work for road construction or any other work, they need to type such a letter and send to a ward councillor. Then further it has been taken to municipal councillor and the process may start if it's in urgent. As you can see in this picture, this kind of things happens and due to this road damages are there. So who help us in that? Yes, we first need to inform the ward councillors and then they will further take it to their representatives and make the things work out properly. Now let us understand about municipal corporation. They takes care of street lights, garbage collection, water supply, etc. As you can see, kids playing on the road. So, what happens when kids play on the road and especially cricket? When they play cricket, many a times the ball breaks the street glass. And that is why, who is responsible for that? We need to inform municipal corporation for maintaining about it and to refix it. Yes, we are supposed to pay for it if needed. If it is purposely been done or it has been done by chance, even though they are the one who takes care of street lights, garbage collection, hospitals, construction of new hospitals, management of hospital, road sanitization. You must have seen this very recently, as due to coronavirus roads were being sanitized. Yes, even this work is been done by municipal corporation. They allot the work to the different wards, and because of that the work of each ward, or you can say each area, is been done properly. This is a sample of the petition which has been sent to municipality. In this you need to write about the things which is been needed, and it has been further taken to the representative, and if it is to be considered, they will consider it, or there are certain formalities which is to be done. Vaccination. This is the most important thing which is been done by the municipal corporation. You must be aware about it that there are different ads for polio, typhoid, and many more things. For that vaccine, there are ads in TVs also they give. Along with that, even there are people who come to your place and they ask that whether they have a child who is under certain age group and who needs to be get vaccinated. When only some people get vaccinated, there are chances of more disease. And when there are more people who get vaccinated, so there are very less chance of being disease spread. Hope you have understood about it. Once again, I'll explain you about it. Ward councillors are the one who takes care of the things such as building, corporate service, engineering, finance, fire, park, recreation, planning, etc. So further this thing has been taken to the municipal council. Along with that, if in case it's needed, we can take also help of police, and further the decisions have been given to board and committees. After that, the work process is been for this is been started. Thank you.